What you doing in the fridge, buddy? Huh? What's going on in there? You gonna get back in? Interesting. Are you gonna climb up like a ladder? Hey, Rylan. What do you see in there? Huh?
Carrots.
Oh, some carrots, huh? Cool. Whoop. Down you go. Carrots and whipped cream and vitamin water. That looks good. How fun is that? You gonna go back in for more? Well, back up to the second shelf that has glass. It is constant with you. Oh boy.
Daddy wonders why.
Oh boy. What are you doing, little dude? You gonna go back in? Okay. This is very energy conserving with the fridge open. See you later. Bye-bye. 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 Yeah. See you later. Should we shut the door? Okay. Bye-bye. See you later. Bye, Rylan.
That's why I put